All right.
Okay.
Hi, guys. I'm Sean. This is Alyssa. Gus is down here. And this is Internet Rabbit Hole Daily.
Just, why do you change it now? You're just, this is Gus.
Oh, I don't know. I like to switch it up every now and then.
Gus is down here.
Well,
up here.
They want to keep them guessing. We are back, folks, and I am really excited about this one. In fact, we're both really excited about this one because you guys have been asking us a whole lot to react to this. And so this is, of course, the Kasan Anthem. Now, we're very lucky because your worst nightmare has created some subtitles for us.
It's your worst nightmare.
That's right. So, yeah, not my worst nightmare because actually I'm very thankful to this individual.
I love it because it reminds me of, it's like a Mulan reference as well.
Oh, is it?
Okay. Like the Mushu dragon. They're like, who? He's like all in disguise and they're like, who are you? He's like, your worst nightmare.
Oh, okay.
And
all
then,
right.
Yeah, they like save the day and rescue everyone from the Hans. So that's a great movie.
All right, well, check it out, I guess. So this right here, as I understand it, is a bunch of Punjabi artists who've banded together to sort of let everybody know how displeased they are with what's going on right now with the farmers' protest. And so, of course, displeased with the government. So
in support of the farmers.
Okay. So I'm ready to jump right in if you are.
Jump right in.
Mm-hmm.
So wait, but this was taken down originally.
It was, yeah. As I understand it, originally there was a copyright strike. Now, if I recall correctly, it had to do with some of the footage, like a little bit of the footage maybe that was used in the video. Of course, everybody thinks it was maybe taken down for political reasons or for, but I'm not really sure. Maybe you guys can let us know.
It's back up and running, right?
Yep, as I understand it.
Is there an official version of it?
That's what I heard. That's what I heard.
And they just like edited it out or something or paid
I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure.
Well, we don't know. So tell us in the comments below.
Mm-hmm.
पुलिस की पहली बैरियर की ट्रैक तोड़ दी किसानों ने
ठंड दे दिन अस्सियां तो टप्पियां ने उमरां ਅੱਜ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਦਿਨ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਬਾਰਡਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਬੈਠਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਭੋਰਾ
cool beat.
That's insane. They're over 80 years old.
Yeah. I love that. It's like we didn't budge to Alexander the Great. So they didn't get defeated by Alexander the Great. He left.
ਤਬਕਾ ਝੱਲਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਿਕੰਦਰ ਵਰਗੇ ਦਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਚੱਲਾਂਗੇ ਜੇ ਸਾਡੀਆਂ ਜ਼ਮੀਨਾਂ ਖੋਏਂਗੀ ਆ ਤੇਰਾ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਮੱਲਾਂਗੇ
ਸਭ ਰਾਜਾਂ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਬੈਰੀਗੇਟ ਪਾਏ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਜੱਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਵਿਕ ਗਿਆ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦਾ ਮੀਡੀਆ
BBC
ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਝੋਟੇ ਛਾਏ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ
So BBC is covering it and stuff? That's good.
ਪੰਜਾਬੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਵਿਕ ਗਿਆ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦਾ ਮੀਡੀਆ BBC ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਜੱਟ ਛਾਏ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਪਿੰਡ ਦੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ
Oh, cool.
ਦੇਖਦੇ ਪਿੰਡ ਦੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਇੱਕੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੱਤੀ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਾਓ
I don't think we've ever seen her before.
No, I want to check her out as an artist because we don't react to enough female artists.
I think I have a feeling that we might get some links down there to check out later. Jats coming with their trolleys. Oh, look at them. Actress is no match for them. Whoa. Do you think she really regrets making that tweet? You know, she's getting sort of decimated in all these tracks. Everybody knows that she's wrong.
Did she say that she thought she saw her? Did she say like she's definitely in multiple videos and like did she try to say that she like knew this for sure or something?
All I know is that she made some outlandish claims, and as far as I know, she hasn't backed down on it.
It's just dumb to make claims where you don't have actual evidence, or it's just like your perception or what you believe. Like and like you do have a lot of influence as a celebrity.
Yeah, and when you're casting aspersions on an 80-year-old woman, that's just not a good thing.
Yeah, like it's just horrible.
Wow, look at that convoy.
Do you think that actress's career is over?
No.
They're going to cancel her?
I have a feeling that she's going to find some way around it, but I guess we'll find out, right? Oh, there she is.
ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੀ ਇਸ਼ਾਰਾ ਡੰਡਾ ਡੁੱਕ ਦੇਣਗੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਅਜੇ ਪੁੱਤ ਪੁੱਤ ਆ ਕੇ ਬਿਠਾਏ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਸਭ ਰਾਜਾਂ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਬੈਰੀਗੇਟ ਪਾਏ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਜੱਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਵਿਕ ਗਿਆ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦਾ ਮੀਡੀਆ BBC ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਝੋਟੇ ਛਾਏ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ
बड़ा भाई है बंदा बता दियो
Chief Minister of Haryana.
Oh, wow. This guy's got a flow.
Yeah. Whoa. Is that them trying to get past
this
the
is our rights, not asking for charity. That's the way I see it too, because don't they have a dominion over their own area? Don't they get to decide how they want the farming practices to operate in their region?
They also are just asking for things to not be changed, and they're just wanting to go back to how it was. They're not trying to pass their own bills, being like, you need to listen to us. They're literally just being, yeah, it's insane.
ਸ਼ਰਤੀਆਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਇਲਾਜ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਐ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਐਸੇ ਨੁਕਸੇ ਵੀ ਅਜਮਾਏ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਸਭ ਰਾਜਾਂ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਬੈਰੀਕੇਡ ਪਾਏ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ
Oh my gosh. Like they're pushing past those barricades that the police just made those things.
Right. Oh, there's that older gentleman with the cut. How did he get that cut? Do you guys know? Let us know down there in the comments.
Ouch.
Haryana. Wow. 2%.
Holy. Beginning of revolution. No, I hate. So sad.
This is sort of a similar message too that we've been getting from a few of the songs, which is, hey, we're very peaceful. All we want is peace. But if you sort of aggress on us, watch out.
Yeah.
Canada's with us.
Yeah, we are. So is America.
UPMP Rajasthan Haryana
Okay, so some of the different states are with them. Ah, DJ Flo.
They're like a big, huge like family sticking up for each other, right? Like it's crazy how people like
well, not only
in Canada and in America and stuff like that, like they're getting lots of support like around it, the world. Just the fact that they're making these songs and stuff like that, and these like music videos about it and everything, and like actually speaking out, and
it is a good thing.
ਸਾਨੂੰ ਹੇਰ ਫੇਰ ਘੱਟ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹੀ ਬਚ ਕੇ ਉਹ ਰਹੀ ਬਚ ਕੇ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਤੁਰੇ ਜੱਟ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹੀ ਬਚ ਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹੀ ਬਚ ਕੇ ਉਹ ਰਹੀ
Jats are coming your way.
ਆਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹੀ ਬਚ ਕੇ ਉਹ ਰਹੀ ਬਚ ਕੇ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਅੱਗੇ ਜੱਟ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਆ
Oh, interesting. We don't play tricks like you.
ਬਾਬੇ ਨਾਨਕ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਿੱਖ ਸਾਨੀ
Guru Nanak has made us content gurus.
ਰਾਜੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਤੱਕ ਰਹਿਣੇ ਚੂਲਦੇ ਨਕਸ਼ੇ ਤੇ
Sorry, Plague.
ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖੀ ਜਿੱਤ ਕੇ ਤੂੰ ਛੱਡੀ ਹੋਈ ਐ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ ਸੀ ਸੇਜ ਬਣੇ ਕੰਡੇ ਦਿੱਲੀ
So are they saying we conquered
They
New
conquered
Delhi
them.
once before?
Yeah. And then left it.
ਤੇਰੇ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਬਗਦਾਦੀ ਵੀ ਸੀ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਸ਼ੌਕ ਸ਼ੇਰਾ ਤਾਨਾ ਸ਼ਾਹਿਦ ਤੇਰੇ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਬਗਦਾਦੀ ਵੀ ਸੀ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਸ਼ੌਕ ਸ਼ੇਰਾ ਤਾਨਾ ਸ਼ਾਹਿਦ ਬਾਬੇ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇ
Oh, there we go.
He's got
a nice voice.
Got an angelic voice.
खून खोलदा नियाणा की सियाणा दिल्लीए सब तेरे नाल साडा है पुराना दिल्लीए खून खोलदा नियाणा की सियाणा दिल्लीए सब तेरे नाल साडा है पुराना दिल्लीए
Got a whole history of conflicts with Delhi.
Yeah, I just gotta sneeze here.
Oh.
Or not.
Sneeze into your elbow. Yeah, we need to learn all the history of this, which we started delving into.
Yeah, we're sort of picking up on various pieces here. Now, I believe I saw a political cartoon actually drawn of this gentleman's face, where it's actually a lion's face with the gauze and the bandaging to show that Sikhs are lions, and that's what Singh stands for. And there's once again the old guy with the cut.
That's a different man.
Yeah, there's two different ones that I've seen the
over
injuries
his
on.
whole eye.
Yeah.
ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੱਥੇ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਬੜੇ ਜਿੱਤੇ ਹਥਿਆਰਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਆ ਆਜਾ ਵਾਲਿਆ ਰੱਖੀ ਤੂੰ ਹੱਥ ਸਿਰ ਤੇ ਤੁਰੇ ਕੱਲਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਮੱਥੇ ਸਰਕਾਰਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਆ ਆਜਾ ਵਾਲਿਆ ਰੱਖੀ ਤੂੰ ਹੱਥ ਸਿਰ ਤੇ ਤੁਰੇ ਕੱਲਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਮੱਥੇ ਸਰਕਾਰਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਆ ਆਜਾ ਵਾਲਿਆ ਰੱਖੀ ਤੂੰ ਹੱਥ ਸਿਰ ਤੇ ਤੁਰੇ ਕੱਲਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਮੱਥੇ ਸਰਕਾਰਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਆ ਮੋਰਚਿਆਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਬੈਠੀ
Yeah. I love it. Was that regalia? Interesting.
Those
so this
who
is
you're
the
calling
second.
drug
It's the
addicts
second
are breaking
reference
barriers.
to sort of drug addiction, to where, and I didn't even really know this
Why?
until
I don't
today.
understand though. They're saying like, a huge band of drug addicts are just like marching to
New Delhi,
to like do drugs or something. Like, what? It just makes no sense.
Yeah, but like you said, anything that they can do to sort of discredit and
anything.
ਤੇਰੇ ਤੇੜੀ ਦਿੱਲੀਏ ਗੁਲਾਮੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਦੀ ਜੋ ਖੜਦੇ ਸਕੀਮ ਫਿਰਦੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਲੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੋ ਖੋਣ ਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਮੀਨ ਫਿਰਦੇ ਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਤੋਂ ਡਰਦੇ ਨਾ ਹੀ ਨਜ਼ਾਇਜ਼ ਡਰਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਬੈਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਵਾਨਾ ਬਾਬੇ ਧਰਨਾ ਲਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਬੈਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਵਾਨਾ ਬਾਬੇ ਧਰਨਾ ਲਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਹੋ ਬੈਕੇ ਨਾਲ
I love that they brought their tractors.
Yeah.
ਸਭ ਰਾਜਾਂ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਬੈਰੀਗੇਟ ਪਾਏ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਜੱਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਵਿਕ ਗਿਆ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦਾ ਮੀਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਝੋਟੇ ਛਾਏ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ
Oh. Wow. No wonder you guys wanted us to
Thank
check
you.
that one out. Not only did we get some more information about the farmers' protest, we got inspired, but we also got to be introduced to a bunch of new different artists.
We met to artists. Thank you again. Your worst nightmare for those amazing lyrics.
Yeah, subtitles. This is awesome. I don't think we're ever going to be able to watch videos now without subtitles. It's so great having them. And so it looks like there's actually some links there to all the different artists. So definitely we've got our work cut out for us here. And maybe you guys can leave some recommendations down there. Once again, big shout out to Your Worst Nightmare. If you want to keep on top of this sort of stuff with us, then we're going to ask you to click that subscribe button. Click the little bell icon. Choose all from the drop-down menu so you can get updated every time we upload a new video.
If you enjoyed this video, please let us know by clicking the thumbs up button and leave your thoughts in the comments down below.
That's right. We love hearing from you guys.
To know what you guys think.
That's right. So this is Internet Rabbit Hole Daily, IRH, signing off.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye, guys.